Friends, now I am doing ribs gourd gravy. Take one ribs gourd and one onion and small size tomatoes to chop this onion and tomatoes, and first peel this ribs gourd and chop it into pieces. Now start chopping the fiber vegetable and low cholesterol and vitamin A and vitamin C vegetable, this one. So it is very healthy vegetable. So now I peeled this ribs gourd, chop this ribs gourd, cut top end and edge part like this. First cut into 3 pieces, and like this you have to chop ribs gourd, friends. Small pieces we should chop like this. Well, it was very good for health. This ribs gourd peel as a chutney. I already shared in this channel, friends. You please follow me and subscribe my channel so that you can enjoy the all videos. Now chop onion, friends. Half onion is enough. This one not take big onion. In that big onion I am chopping only half part. Then now the onion was chopped, and take tomato and chop it now. This much onion is enough. Next take tomato and chop it into small pieces. Okay, this you has to chop tomato. See friends, this was enough onion. Next this ribs gourd and tomato we chopped well, and take kadai and do the process of the gravy. Now heat the kadai and take pop items and red chili, turmeric powder, rock salt, and cooked moong dal and some gram dal. We has to already cook this one, and ready start doing, friends. Now take some oil like this. Take some oil and add cumin seeds, some cumin seeds and mustard seeds, some urdu dal, and add curry leaves. Yes, it was frying well. Add curry leaves, and next onion. Next add this, gently mix, and now add this ribs gourd, chopped ribs gourd. Add this and mix well with a spoon. Now mix with spoon well. It has to cook by frying, so we have to mix well until it was become small size. Small size, it should become small size. Now mix well. Let it cook some time, 2-3 minutes. After we should add tomato. See friends, see it was well cooking. It has to cook 2 or 3 minutes more. After that add tomato and all things. Now add tomato to this and let it cook well. Mix with the spoon and it should cook some time. While it was cooking, we can add turmeric, half spoon turmeric, and mix well. Let it cook well for some time. See friends, now it was cooking. See, mix well. In this time, add rock salt. 1 spoon I am adding rock salt, and add half spoon chili powder, red chili, and again mix well. Now mix again friends. Now we has to add water. Some water we should add. Yes, some more water. Don't add more water. It should be semi-solid. It should not be liquid way. So after cooking, this water is enough, I think. This time we should add half spoon coriander powder. Mix well and close the lid now for 5 minutes to cook this. Okay. While it was cooking, I am adding 1 garlic cut into pieces. So if we add garlic, it will be very tasty flavor and very taste. So I am adding garlic. See friends, 70% it was cooked, and in this time we should add cooked dal, moong dal, and gram. So we should add this and mix well and close the lid for 3 minutes. Afterwards it will be cooked. Now the gravy was ready. At the end we should add grated coconut and mix well. Beerakankai gravy, beerakai kura, and next as ribbed gourd gravy was ready. See, gravy was ready to serve with rice and ready to serve with rotis also. It was very nice, tasty with the rotis. It was ready to serve with rice friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.